If you're learning JavaScript, these three tricks will blow your mind. Simple, powerful, and super underrated. Let's dive right in. Sometimes you expect a value from the user, like a username, but what if it's missing or undefined? That's where this operator comes in. It lets you set a default value. So if the username is empty, we fall back to something like guest. But once the username is actually set, like turtle, this operator simply uses that value instead. It's a simple way to make your code more reliable, especially when you're dealing with optional data or user input. Sometimes when working with an array in a for each loop, you might want to skip over certain values like null. To do this, you can use the if statement combined with the return keyword. This works like a continue statement in a traditional for loop. It will immediately stop the current iteration and move on to the next one. So in this case, when the value is null, it gets skipped and doesn't get processed further. This way, you can easily avoid any unwanted values in your loop without affecting the rest of the data. In an array, there can often be unwanted empty values like 0, false, null, or undefined. To clean up the array and remove those unwanted values, we can use the filter method. By passing the Boolean function to filter, it will automatically convert each item in the array to a Boolean value. Only the truthy values, like hello and 42, will remain, while the falsy values, like 0, false, etc., will be filtered out. This is a quick and efficient way to tidy up your data and ensure you're only working with meaningful values. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments which trick you like the most, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!